Hey Snohomish County, I'm here in my latest listing. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, absolutely adorable house. This would be great for a first-time buyer or maybe an investor who's just starting to get into the rental business. I can hardly wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. So guys, what did you think? I just love how cute this house is. It's got a nice, lush front yard, and you've got RV parking, a freshly paved driveway, 1-car garage. If you would like to see this in person, give me a call on my cell phone, and until I have a chance to talk to you, take good care. Bye-bye.